everybody, welcome to another show. Today, we're playing another minigame with another cool person. Say hi. Dude. Okay, so you can join now, dude. You can join now. Yeah, I'm okay. I just invite. That's simple. Spleef. Now go. Why didn't you clear your inventory? Now you need to. Oh crap. Okay, go get like a shovel. Did you get the shovel? Show it to me. Show the shovel. No. Okay, go. There, good. Now I need to teleport you. Okay. Okay, stay where you are. I need to get to my side too. Okay, ready. In 3, 2, 1, go. Look! Hey, no hitting. No attacking players, dude. I'm behind you. I'll trap you if you want. Busy. Oh, I do. I'm supposed to get you down. Attack! Yeah, so you should jump down, dude. Sparkles! Oh god! I almost fell. Ooh, this is scary. Oh gosh! Oh. No! God, no! Okay, you won. So guys, we're playing the next round. But first we need to make something. So watch next episode to see next.